Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Odoo Studio, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and if I go into my apps, and if I search for Studio, you'll see that it is in fact installed. You can see it in the bottom right there, but here it is again, and as you can see, it is currently installed. However, if I go back, I should have an add app or create app button here, with which I don't, because the Studio is, as far as I'm aware, only available for the enterprise version, which I currently cannot afford. So I'll just have to use this supplementary material on CyberAssist just to give you guys an idea of how to use it. As you can see, here is the UI, which you've seen previously, and here you see new app. You just need to click on that, go through the Studio, create the new app, give it a name, and use either a new model or an existing model, and then you can get to editing. As you can see, you have a couple of suggested features which you can select if you want to create a new model, and then you can start building it. It's pretty much similar to the website builder. It is a block-based module builder, which you can add anything which you can see on the left hand bar to your module, and you can customize it to whatever you see fit to fit any use case which you can think of or which you need. As you can see, you can click the plus add menu to access these over here. You can click the view to change the view of the actual table or whatever it is that you're changing or creating, or you can click properties to change the properties of the certain fields and elements that you want. This is where you'll find your components. As you can see, you can use existing fields if you want to, or you can create completely new ones. And as you can see, these are examples of the ones that you want. Now, the statuses which you can set are invisible, which is invisible to all without authorization unless the main authorized user doesn't allow it. You have required, read only, labels, help tooltips, placeholders, widgets, default values, and limit visibility to groups, which is pretty much self-explanatory. And as you can see, you can change the label and everything in the properties as well as the state. And yeah, you can make any changes to the buttons and to the icons as well if you want to. You can change the features of your model if you want to, as well add new ones, remove certain ones, and create whatever you want. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.